Salvador Dali, 1904 to 1989. Dali. Salvador Dali was one of the most famous painters of the 20th century. He gained a reputation as one of the century's most bizarre and outrageous artists. His theory of surrealism was based on reasoned madness, but as he commented, "The difference between me and a madman is that I am not mad." Dali, early life. Salvador Dali was born on May 11, 1904, in the small agricultural town of Figueres, Spain. The son of a prosperous notary, Dali spent his boyhood in Figueres and at the family's summer home in the coastal fishing village of Cadaqués, where his parents built his first studio. He was an intelligent child, producing advanced drawings at an early age. Dali attended the Colegio de los Hermanos Maristas and the Instituto in Figueres, Spain. By 1921, he convinced his father that he could make a living as an artist and was allowed to go to Madrid, Spain to study painting. Training and influences. While in Madrid, Dali studied the art of Velázquez, Goya, Hieronymus Bosch. While in school, the authorities of the college were unimpressed by his outrageous behavior and eccentric dress. It was his paintings, in which he experimented with cubism, that earned him the most attention from his fellow students. Dali found the college to be restrictive, and his protest against the college authorities finally led to suspension. During this time, Dali had a vast number of artistic styles and displayed unusual technical facility as a painter. Francisco Goya, Saturn devouring his son. Hieronymus Bosch, bird-headed monster. Early experimentation with cubism. Dali cabaret scene, 1922, oil on canvas. Picasso. Move toward surrealism. In the late 1920s, two events brought about the development of his mature artistic style. His discovery of Sigmund Freud's writings on the significance of subconscious image. His contact with surrealist artists and writers who sought to establish the greater reality of man's subconscious over his reason. In 1929, Dali held his first one-man show in Paris. Within the same year, he joined the Surrealists led by former Dadaist André Breton. Dali soon became a leader of the Surrealist movement. The Persistence of Memory, 1931, oil on canvas, Museum of Modern Art, New York City. Soft Construction with Boiled Beans, 1936, oil on canvas, Philadelphia Museum of Art, Philadelphia. Picasso, Guernica, 1937. Dali, and Magritte. Swans Reflecting Elephants, 1937, oil on canvas, private collection by Dali. The Human Condition, 1933, oil on canvas, private collection by Magritte. Metamorphosis of Narcissus, 1937, oil on canvas, Tate Modern, London.